LGUs have no research and development division. That's our handicap. And in my experience, we try to look some ways how we can solve this one. Our strategy was to partner with the academics. So, well, in Saura, aside from UP, our technical experts also were using some from WRC. They're the expert on board. So, uh, the limitations of the LGU can be founded, can be supported with the help of other, aside from the academy, which we consider as the repository of knowledge. If you want data-driven governance, we go back to the academy. And by doing this, we need to partner also with other national government agencies.
Thank you, sir. Partnership's important. 30 seconds. Go.
Well, thank you very much for having me today. I would just say accompaniment. We need to work together, collaborating together, not just with local government units, but down to the barangay level, engaging other experts to try and solve what is a very complex problem. Complex in that there's multi-dimensional issues that affect it. Climate, demand. So working together will solve that.
Thank you. Dr. Allen, 30 seconds. Partnerships, collaboration.
Now, the problems we are facing today require a holistic approach. So we cannot solve a problem by isolation. We have to consider also other aspects. So what we learn is that we have to focus on the ecosystem and ecology and ecosystem services.
Thank you, Dr. Allen. Ecology and ecosystems. Okay.
Yeah, for water security solutions, we need to transcend from just knowing and understanding, but we should go beyond that. We need to appreciate and give value to that. Because before Tino, before Odette, I think we don't have shortage of solutions, shall I say. But we have shortage in terms of appreciating it and valuing it, and that's why we are not utilizing this information and taking actions into it. But after Tino, we take actions into it because we see the value of these solutions.
Value awareness and value creation. Thank you, Dr. Smith. Yes.
For us to have a flood secure and water secure cities, we need to have a plan. And that plan must be crafted based on actual data and science-based analysis. And once you have this with considering all the contribution from different sectors, this plan must be implemented. Otherwise, the industries will go somewhere else.
All right. Thank you so much.